Now, I do actually love everything about this particular car. The engine, the spec, the way it looks, the mileage, and the fact that the car's got full Land Rover service history. So let me just tell you a little bit about this particular car, because it looks amazing. It's in Santorini black. It is the Defender 2022 22 registration with just 22,000 miles on. And like I said, with a full Land Rover service history, it means that the car has been perfectly maintained mechanically throughout its history. The car is the D300, which is a 3-litre diesel engine producing 300 brake horsepower. It is also the HSE. So with HSE, you get lots of specification on the interior, such as upgraded leather interior, heated and ventilated seats, the bigger screen navigation, digital dashboard, but then this car has got lots of over and above specification, which I'm going to go through with you. First of all, it's a Defender 110, it's a 5-seater. You have got the black styling pack on this car. This is not standard, so we got to pay for extra. The grills, the badges, the inserts, everything is colour coded. You've then got the upgraded LED matrix headlights. They are adaptive as well, and that's part of the HSE. 360 camera system, front rear parking sensors, and then you've got the front fog lights in LED as well. Black checker plates, but then the first extra is the extended arch kit. And I must admit, this is probably one of the best fitments I've ever seen on any arch kit out there. That is a good job. Followed by the 22-inch Jude wheels, multi-spoke wheels in perfect condition for the simple reason I've just had them done. They've just been powder coated, so they're absolutely immaculate all the way around. No curb damage, no road rash, no sort of corrosion. It's just amazing. And it looks really good on this car. Even though the car's a HSE D300 high-spec vehicle, air suspension is not standard. This car has it. Side steps, contrasting black roof, and then you've got the LED front pod lights. Comfort access, sun protection glass, side steps that I've mentioned already, but then look at the interior. This is where the soft leather comes in. You've got the Meridian sound system, electric memory seats both for driver and passenger. There's the big screen navigation. You've got the tilt and sliding panoramic roof. You've also got a refrigerator under the centre armrest just here, so that lights up. 2 keys, lock and wheel nut is just there, and you have got the wireless charging pad in the middle. Different driving modes are available. Being the HSE, you also do get adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel. But with 22,000 miles on, if you go to the side of the car, I can't exaggerate enough, the condition of this car is, on a scale of 1 to 10, it's a very strong 9.5. Beautiful. So well kept, exterior and interior. Look at the bodywork and the metallic paint. It's just wow. Them back seats for me, again, the lack of creasing on them, no cigarette burns, no dents, there are no scuff marks on the back of the seats, fully fitted mats. It's just amazing. Get to the back of the car, you have the extended rear spoiler that completely changes the way it looks. Hardback spare wheel cover. You've got the darkened rear lighting system, and you have the electric deployable Towbar. What more can you ask for? The right engine, the right spec, extras like the air suspension, the Towbar, the boot space, the seats go down 60/40. This is a good area, but this tells a story on its own. You can see the condition of this. Just from here alone, you can tell that the inside of the car, the cab area, will be just as good as I've explained already. 22,000 miles, the car comes fully prepared with the full 12 months MOT. Just take a look. If you stand back now, forget the fact that we've polished and shiny, but is that not a good looking car? Just the whole arches, wheels, spoiler, pod light. It is. Somebody out there that wants a Defender and doesn't want a boring one, wants something that stands out a little bit, this is your car. You've got the upgraded leather steering wheel. The sound of the engine sounds really good as well. You've then got obviously the light for the pod lights at the top. Your 360 camera system is in high definition. USB, USB-C, 12-volt socket, lots of cubbyhole space, electric adjustment for the steering column. This is amazing. With the sliding roof, I love it, and every part of it. My name's Joe. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. If you're looking at another Defender D300 HSE, but it hasn't got the extended arch kit, it hasn't got the expensive wheels, the pod lights, the Towbar, the air suspension pack, you naturally have to question, is it even the same car? The answer is no. Is it worth paying the extra couple of £1,000s but getting in return about £12,000 of extras? The answer is always yes, because not only will you enjoy it on a daily basis, but the day that you do come to sell it, this car naturally is worth slightly more than a basic HSE D300. I'm sure you agree. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.